Hello, so we are going to cover OG fields. OG fields are basically tags that you can see into your pages. So when users share your website page on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and basically any platform that renders a preview of a page that user is sharing. These tags will be used to provide the image, the title, description, etc. for the preview. So in this video, we are going to show you how to configure the default OG fields for your website. They will be used for your home page along with any other page that doesn't have OG fields configured. And then, of course, you can set a specific OG fields for any other page on your website that override the defaults. So if we navigate over the operations portal, I'm just going to show how to navigate to the SEO screen where you can set your OG fields. Once you have signed in, you can just come down to the marketing screen here and click on the SEO, and you will see that the meta field section, which we have already covered in a previous video. And then, if you scroll down, you will also see the OG fields sections where you can configure your default OG fields for your website. So the first field is OG type. You will probably always want this to be website. Since it is your default, there are several other available types that you can use. Feel free to refer to the official documentation on what each one does. But especially for any commerce site, what you want to provide is the website. So I'm going to enter here, website. The next thing you want to provide is the locale. This basically specifies what language your OG fields are read in. I'm going to write in American English, so what you wanted to do, put is N, US, but it can be any other valid locale. And then you'll want to set your OG image. So I'm going to paste here this value, and which is used in the previous. And the next thing we'll want to specify is the OG title. So I'm going to write Colaris Supply Chain Platform. Okay, so and we'll also need a description. So I'm going to paste this description here and click on Save. Now we can verify that these fields are being used. If we hop over to our website and right-click here and click on View Page Source, as you can see, we now have these OG fields seated in your website. We can verify that they are being properly parsed and used by hopping over to the Facebook debug tool. So I'm going to copy this URL and paste the URL here and click on debug. Okay, so if we scroll down, we can see that our OG fields are successfully working. It captured our image, our title, and our description. And basically, this is the preview that Facebook will use when a user shares a page on Content Colaris website. So this is one way you can validate that your OG fields are working. So that's it. Thank you for your attention.